Good. Troops out of other countries, what happens to NATO? Does NATO just end?
I don't think NATO has to do with our troops being in other countries.
It does.
So we're still giving them resources.
Yeah, we're still giving them resources, just our troops won't be there.
Okay.
We want to be able to have like more soldiers that are like well trained, you know, and stuff. So like we don't really care about like tanks and ships and stuff because like we already kind of have that, you know. Like obviously there's gonna be some maintenance and like new stuff built.
We want to, like I said, we want to see a better education. We want to see more time put into the training and the courses that they have to go through. We want to see them focusing more on the bigger issues rather than the smaller issues.
Hi, I'm Danielle, and this is
Coach Wise.
Can you tell us about the track program?
Yeah, so we're trying to just get more kids out this year, make the track program a little more organized and fun for the students here, and trying to just get the interest in track brought back to Carlinville.
And what's your vision?
The vision is to just create the program back to what it was, bring it back to how successful the track program used to be here at Carlinville. If you go down to the trophy case, track is probably the most successful sport that Carlinville's had. We're just trying to get back to that point.
And the team?
The team this year looks pretty good. We have several athletes that I think can do very, very well, all the way to the state level. So I'm pretty excited about this year.
And the other coaches?
The other coaches, we have a ton of track coaches this year. The big three are Coach Leah. She's helping out with shot and discus. Coach Tunde is helping out with all the sprinters, and Coach Garrison is here coaching pretty much everything. So,
Thank you.
no.